Netgear Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System AX3000 Setup. Unbox and identify components, unpack the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Place the router, position the main router near your modem for the best connection. Connect to modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN port to the modem. Power on the route, plug in the router and turn it on, wait until the power LED turns solid white. Download the Nighthawk app, install the Netgear Nighthawk app from your device's App Store, iOS/Android. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi, find the router's default SSID on your phone/computer and connect using the password provided on the router. Open the Nighthawk app, launch the app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the router setup. Place and power on satellites, position the satellites in areas needing coverage, plug them in, and wait for the LED to turn white. Sync satellites, press the sync button on each satellite and the router to connect them. Finalize in the app, verify all satellites are connected via the Nighthawk app, then name your network and set a new Wi-Fi password. Thank you for watching.